Bold marketing can sell courses, but exaggerated claims or vague promises can also get your merchant account flooded. A few unclear lines on your sales page is all it takes. Here's a quick manual check you can do to reduce marketing related flags. In Google Docs, list every big claim, testimonial, and guarantee from your sales pages. For each one, add a short factual backup or proof source so reviewers can see it's not just hype. This is a beginner friendly step that makes your messaging cleaner and helps customers understand what you actually deliver. But even a tidy doc won't stop denials if the bank reviewing your application does not understand your marketing style, or if claims still look risky on first glance. That's where EasyPay Direct helps. Their underwriting specialists review your actual marketing and match you with banks that understand educational and info product messaging. Plus, you get features like chargeback mitigation to stop disputes before they escalate, keeping your account stable while you advertise with confidence. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out to see how their underwriting and dispute protection tools work together. If you want to market boldly without risking denials, start with the claims review and then get underwritten by a processor that gets info products. EasyPay Direct makes that simple. Use the link below to get matched and protect your payments today.